guys, it's Zach and welcome to a new episode of Kids Can Cook 2. Today we're going to be making burgers. So what you want to do is get your pair of gloves and get your 2 pounds of ground beef, your lemon or lime, and your seasoning. First, you want to squeeze the lemon over the ground beef. Make sure you get it all out. All right, next you want to get your seasoning, which is 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. And then sprinkle it. Or what you want to do is you mix it around, like just squeeze it until like it all you can't see the seasoning in clumps. So next, what you want to do is you want to form your patties, and since I'm doing it like free form, I'm just get a ball and then I squeeze it out into a patty. And you want to make it extra big because they shrink up. Alright, so when you're done forming your patty, you gotta put it on your pan that's already preheated on medium heat. And you don't need any type of butter or anything like that because it has its own like fat. And just drop it on there and it's gonna start sizzling.
How many minutes do you cook it on each side?
Just 10 minutes on each side. This has been 10 minutes already. You're gonna take it. Oh, you have to get a brush. And you can just use the size if you want. And then flip it. Oh. And then let that sit for 10 more minutes. And if it breaks off, that's fine. Alright, so now that it's cooked on each side and is ready to, you just gotta try to scoop it out. And don't make sure it doesn't fall. And bring it over to your bun. Oh no. Okay, so now what you want to do is grab your burger and dig in. Busted. Now let me go and make the burgers for the rest of my family. See you next time on another episode of Kids Can Cook 2 by No Jump Russo.